Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn on satellite view in Google Maps. This feature gives you a realistic aerial perspective of any location, which is incredibly useful when you want to see actual buildings, terrain, and landmarks rather than just illustrated maps. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the familiar Google Maps interface showing the default map view. This is where we'll make our adjustments to switch over to satellite imagery. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll notice an option labeled Layers. This is the control center for all the different viewing options Google Maps offers. Go ahead and click on Layers to reveal the menu. This button is essential because it unlocks various map overlays and viewing modes that can dramatically change how you explore locations. After clicking Layers, a menu will pop up displaying different view options. If you immediately see an option called Satellite, you're all set to click it directly. However, if Satellite isn't visible right away, don't worry. Simply look for and click on the More button. This expands the menu to show additional viewing options that aren't displayed by default. Once you've expanded the menu, scroll through the available options until you find a section labeled Map Type. This section contains the core viewing modes for Google Maps. Click on Map Type to access these fundamental display settings. Within the map type section, you'll see satellite listed as one of the options. Click on satellite to activate this view mode. The moment you select it, your map will transform from the illustrated street view into a detailed photographic perspective captured from above. You'll instantly see real buildings, roads, vegetation, and geographical features as they actually appear from the sky. And that's it. Your Google Maps is now displaying satellite imagery, giving you a much more realistic view of any location you're exploring. This view is particularly helpful when you're trying to identify specific buildings, assess the terrain of an area, or simply get a better sense of what a place actually looks like before visiting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.